Sanibona Ndumelana Mshini, hi, welcome to Tumithi itshe shizabheka ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzusha. Let's get into the video. Poor Durban Gogo, yazi ngiyamzwela. Hey ngiyamzwela. Yazi khona lama ex la ufuna ukuthi nje abantu bangazi nokuthi ukhe wathandana nabo. Kodwa leyo ex is the one that is out here publishing ukuthi yazini nimbone nje uqale la. Nimbone nje udlule la. This is the situation that is happening between uDurban Gogo kanye noSjugu. So uSjugu, angeke ngithi allegedly because this comes from Sjugu's mouth. So uSjugu is like telling the whole world ukuthi yabona nje mina, my favorite famous ex has to be uDurban Gogo. You know, when he said those words, we thought like uthi yajoka. Kodwa uguy is like so serious to a point whereby even uShaba said there's been talks around ukuthi ubumdrayisa deep kloof ukuze nje bakubone ukuthi nje phethe yellow bone elihle balibiza ngoDurban Gogo. You know, all of this was coming kahle nje at before she became famous. I believed uSjugu for a moment, even though I was like, hey angmazi, you know, there's no reason ukuthi ngathi uSjugu namanga. I believed her because I believed him, because everyone has a past, you know. And also the fact ukuthi but uSjugu was famous, the vibes, you know, angmazi. I just knew uSjugu from that reality show yabo Gogo Mawi. So when I heard ukuthi okay fine, uSjugu was like okay but umuntu, I thought ukuthi mentioned before about famous, before she dated Focalistic. But the fact ukuthi umthathe ku-Focalistic, that's when it got crazy. Like I was like, ain't no way, like uyabona lapho nje bengimbelieve kahle, but if ngimzwe kahle ngizongathi uthe ngimthathele ku-Focalistic bekangilwisa. I was like, I yabo, if that's true, hey, no comment. But if that's true, like Focalistic to Sjugu, interesting. That's a very interesting transition. You know, I'm not gonna shame uSjugu and stuff because angmazi. You know, messing about the standard isn't as different. And if Durban Gogo, so uSjugu was like the perfect fit. If Durban Gogo was like, oh, happy ngoSjugu, so then who are we to judge? The sad part is that and one thing I love about Durban Gogo, she's booked and busy and managed to be even entertaining into those fana nabo uSjugu. uSjugu watch maybe ufuni attention, so Durban Gogo is like, and easy, I'm not gonna stoop down to your level because obviously the levels are leveling. Sjugu, Durban Gogo, levels kamchana, levels ngiyakutshela. So yeah, Durban Gogo is like, it's fine if you wanna push the narrative ukuthi mina nawe sikhisajola, then why not keep pushing it? Who cares? But I care. And ayiphelelanga lapho kwi-podcast, he went on to Facebook to post isithombe sakhe benoDurban Gogo. Lapho uSjugu beka nice nje, I have to give it up to him. Like, hey, bekawashekile, I don't wanna lie, he was looking good, yabo, alright nje. About Bokusai, but was serious, so maybe allegations angaba you true, but anyway. Wathi uSjugu impilo beyimnandi ngisazijolela nemedi yami uDurban Gogo. You know those times where you are reminiscing, yabo, ukhumbula ama-throwback, usho uthi hey mara impilo ikhe yaba mnandi. You know the vibes, especially when life is no longer the same, yabo. Ukhumbula ukuthi mara ngike ngaphila yazini, you know the vibes. I relate to uSjugu lapho. uSjugu angazi ukuthi ngimoshe kuphi ngoba angasafuna ukungipha i-love back. Mara Durban Gogo anganika umntana abantu i-love back. Hawu, sekazihamba nama-podcast elokuthi ngicela i-love back. I clearly you've moved on, sisi. Umntana abantu, poor Sjugu, shame. I hope uzothola abanye abangqono, ama-yellow bone angqono, move on, because what you mean? Wathi I miss you mara my wife.